All right, so this is video number 2 of this walnut table. I posted one earlier about how I screwed the first one up and then poured the epoxy and blah, blah, blah. Here we are. So the epoxy held. That thing looks good. I've been sanding my ass off for which feels like weeks. But I decided to try something different. And if you look here in the picture, you'll see here where it's shiny and then it goes dull. That's where I've sanded down to like, I don't know, 600 grit or something. But I realized that, this section right here is like prouder than the wood side. And this section is shy of the wood, so therefore it's still shiny from the original pour. But I decided to go ahead and mix up a small, like maybe half a cup of the countertop epoxy by Stone Coat and just pour it to see what happens. Because when I doused this milky, foggy section with water, it looked like that section, which was pretty. So check this out. So that's the countertop epoxy poured right on top of the foggy section. And look, you can't tell it's scratched at all. It looks perfect. So there's no need to do any sanding. I'm glad I did this because that would have been like another 5-6 hours of polishing to make this scratch section look like the clean section over here. But absolutely no need. And this was poured like 6 hours ago. So I am so glad I did that. It's a test section. I got to sand it all off and start all over again, but I ain't making no noise. Of course, there's a few bubbles, and it's dusty in here, and there's some crap in the stuff, but it's just a test project to redo it. So anyway, I thought that was fantastic. So this section was really, really scored up and had some deep swirls, and I put the epoxy right on top, and it looks absolutely perfect. So no need to sand it. It's just, I'm shocked by it. So anyway, I hope this helps you guys because it definitely has helped me, and I'm glad I screwed up and tried that. Let me go up here to the other piece. This garage is a mess because I just moved in. Anyway, so this is a side project. Same thing. It was sanded and polished to like 1,000 grit, and I put the leveling epoxy right on top. And it couldn't be more beautiful. So this wood is unfinished, and I like the way that looks. I originally did Danish oil, but I sanded it off because I thought it made it look the walnut too dark. So anyway, I'm stoked. I can't wait to get this baby done and move on to bring it inside the house. So anyway, hope you guys are having fun in your projects, and if I learn anything cool or screw anything up, which is probably likely, I'll try to post it so that we don't all make the same mistakes. Anyway, have a good night. Peace and chicken grease.